Paying attention can sometimes be challenging, but there are strategies that can help. Here are 5 steps you can follow to improve your attention span. 1. Remove distractions. Create an environment that is conducive to focusing. This might mean cleaning your workspace, putting your phone on silent, or closing unnecessary tabs on your computer. The fewer distractions you have, the easier it will be to concentrate. 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment and can be a valuable tool for improving attention. You can practice mindfulness in daily life by paying full attention to simple tasks like washing dishes, walking, or eating. Mindfulness meditation, which involves focusing on your breath or body sensations, can also help train your attention. 3. Take regular breaks. Rather than trying to maintain focus for extended periods, break your work into manageable chunks, and take short breaks in between. The Pomodoro technique, for instance, involves focusing on a task for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. These breaks can help refresh your mind and maintain a high level of concentration. 4. Stay hydrated and eat healthily. Dehydration and hunger can make it harder to concentrate. Drink water regularly throughout the day, and eat balanced meals with protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Foods like blueberries, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate are known to boost concentration and memory. 5. Get regular exercise. Physical activity has been shown to improve concentration and cognitive function. This doesn't necessarily mean intense workouts, even a short walk can be beneficial. Try to incorporate some form of physical activity into your daily routine. Remember, everyone has off days when it's hard to concentrate. Don't be too hard on yourself if you're struggling with attention. Practice these steps regularly, and over time, you should see improvement. If you're finding it consistently difficult to concentrate, consider seeking advice from a healthcare professional, as this can sometimes be a sign of an underlying condition such as ADHD.